20.28% net annualized return. This is the Oak Special Fund Q1 2026 review. Now, interestingly, most of you are asking me, what about Oak Fund? Earlier, I just gave the fund performance for Mansa X, where it performed exemplary. But now, today is about Oak Special Fund. What is this Oak Special Fund and what is it all about? Now, just like Mansa X, Oak Special Fund is a multi-asset fund. What does that mean? They invest in diverse investment opportunities, and also they have a license to invest in offshore. What I mean with offshore is in global market. So they can invest locally and also in global market. Now, using their investment strategies, they are able to, diversify their portfolio on different financial assets. For example, locally, they invest in government securities, they invest in NSE derivatives, equities, and also commercial papers, and also government, corporate bonds. So every investment opportunity that you can think of in Kenya, they are able to invest. Yeah, it doesn't mean they have invested there, but they have a license to invest there. Now, when it goes to global or outside the country, they invest in currency trading. We have precious metal like gold, copper, and silver. Then we have commodities, then international equities, sovereign bonds, and also derivatives. Now, this is a kind of fund that can prospect an opportunity right in US and go there. In Japan, in Australia, right there, globally, they're able to do that. Now, here's another thing. The fund began early February 2024, and for you to join this fund, you need around 500,000. That is the initial deposit. So that has been one of the limiting factor for most people to join this fund. But the additional benefit is once you join, you only require 50,000 as a top up every month, or whichever frequency that you want to top up this fund. Then also there's a locking period of 6 months. When you deposit that money, you're not going to get your cash for the next 6 months. It is locked there. Now, that said and done, let me highlight how the fund has been performing since February 2024. Now, in 2024, this fund gave a return of 29.38%. Just imagine that. 29.38 net return. That is what people took home. People who trusted the fund and invested that first year, they took home 29. Now, 2025, the fund gave a net return of 18.99. Right? So that is quite a good return. When it comes to growing your money, that is a good return. Now, what about this first quarter in 2026? That is what key point that we need to consider. Now, in this quarter, the Kenya Shillings Fund gave a 4.72%. That is for the first quarter, right? And the USD Fund gave a 2.98%. When we look at the annualized return, the Kenya Shillings Fund is 20.28%, and the USD is 12.46%. Now, what is this annualized fund? What they do is they take the average of the 4 prospective quarters. Now, Q1 in 2026, then in Q4, Q3, and Q2 of previous year is like a projection that if we maintain the performance of last year plus this year first quarter, this is how much we expect to give our investors. So this figure might be different from what they are going to achieve when closing the year. All right. So here's the thing. If you invested 500,000, which is a minimum, at the start of January, you'd have taken home 23,600. Now, if you went in and deposited 1 million, you'd have taken home 47,200. And if you had 5 million, your return would have been 236,000. And what about if you had 10 million? That would have been 472,000. Guys, people are making money out here. When you are still keeping your money in a bank account, you are losing. Your money should be working for you instead of your money working for other people. So it's high time we come and accept or embrace the special fund phenomenon. We have now Mansa X, this is Oak Fund, also Kuza has another special fund, Avocap has one, Etika has a new one, and many other funds that are coming up with these special funds advantage. So it's time to diversify your portfolio, especially if you want to grow your portfolio with a return of above 15%. These special funds, especially Mansa, and now we have Oak and others that I'm going to review, they are very, very good opportunities. So that is the fund performance for Oak Fund in Q1. Alex Mwangi is my name. See you in the next one. Let's make money.